As right now I already clean throttle body and fixed back, so everything is fixed. Before start processing, reset manually throttle body. So must be checked cap is tightened and this one must be checked is okay. Battery voltage 13 is strong, must be 13. After that start the process. Your car steering must be straight. After that, all the light, everything AC, and all the related electric must be off. Okay. After this, first ignition key 2 seconds on, and then off 10 seconds, again on 2 seconds, and again off 10 seconds, and then on ignition, wait for 3 minutes, 3 seconds, sorry, and then pedal push 5 times fast. After this, wait 3 seconds and push and hold 7 seconds. So when start blink check engine light, waiting until stop check engine light, and then release pedal, waiting for 3 seconds and start your torque. This is the right process. Okay. On key 2 seconds, 1, 2, off 10 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. 1, 2, off 10 seconds, left, 8, 9, 10. On, wait 3 seconds and push pedal. 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold until blink of the check engine light. This blink until you hold the pedal. This blink off, and then you lift the pedal for 3 seconds. Wait, and then you start your car. After reset, your wait maybe must be lift start car 30 minutes. Okay, and automatically RPM is now, can you see this RPM 1000 down. After 30 minutes, we must become 600, 700 normal. So this process, if your failure not normal RPM, this process you continue must be start until RPM normal. Don't believe, maybe take a long time, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times. Manually take should be long time, not try first time is success. If not success, try again, try again, try again. Continue.
This process, if you until your needle is come to 700, until you continue this process, repeat. But especially I tell you secret, when you start pedal pushing, just like this, 1 2 3 4 5, not slowly 1 2 3 is wrong, 1 2 3 4 5 is correct, and then 3 second wait and push again.